Hello guys, welcome to my recipe video again. This is Angie and here in my place, Singapore. So let's get started. Wow, we have a lettuce iceberg and we have two kinds of lettuce. This is a lettuce of Romanian lettuce, guys. So which one do we prefer to make a something twist with egg? Is it this one or this one? Please comment down below, guys, which one you prefer. But I think they are both nice to make for salad, right? So here we go. So let's get started for my another recipe to share with you guys. Either eat breakfast or dinner, or can eat by snack also. After wash the lettuce, guys, so we need to cut into big pieces. Then put in a plate. Just to prepare the next steps, we have two bowls. We crack the egg. Oh, we need to separate the egg yolk to the other bowl. We need to use 2 eggs. There you go, guys. Wow, got a lot of egg whites. There you go. So this, guys, egg yolk and egg white separated. So we need to put a half teaspoon what's that, salt, both, and a dash of white pepper for taste. So time to cook. Heat oil in a pan. I think it's hot, it's ready. Pour in the egg white first. Just like that. Just pour in on top the vegetable. And can roll. Wow, so lovely, guys. Wow, It's hot. So this is now my lettuce egg roll omelette, guys. And you wanna have the sauce. I make sauce like this one. This is a sauce with a oyster sauce, soya sauce or light sauce, sesame oil, and some dash of white pepper. You just pour on top. Do like this. Then, wow, yummy. So let's give a try, guys. So we try, guys. So here again. So I did more with the sauce. Perfect. The sauce and can dip or make the sauce with a chili if you prefer spicy one, guys. Goes well also. I hope you like this recipe video again today, guys, and please write comment down below. Please hit the like button and please subscribe. So hope you enjoy this video again. And yeah, don't forget to click the notification bell and click all so that all when I uploading new videos you will be notified to watch the video, guys. And yes, thank you so much for your support and always be kind in life every day. So yeah, that's it, guys, for today, and see you next time again. Bye.